So we've been looking at conditions that have been on the hot side here. It's also been on the rainy side too. This is our view as we're looking out in Fargo. Off to the northeast where there are more clouds, where there's some more shower activity going on. We've got a little haze here in the metro. There's a little bit of moisture in the air for one, as well as seeing some of that wildfire smoke aloft too. I want to talk about what we've seen so far as rain is concerned. Some of us have been begging for moisture, still haven't seen any with the scattered nature of the rain we've been dealing with. And then here's a look at an area where it's too much all at once. This is a photo sent to us this morning. This is 10 miles northeast of Fosston, Minnesota. Bennett sent us this photo of water standing in the field here. He said that they had about 2.7 inches of rain in that area. So that's caused too much water in the fields here in this particular area. So there are spots that are waterlogged and need a little bit of a break at least. And then there are places that haven't seen much. So we do have more rain on the way. It is more isolated to scattered right now. You can see some showers over by Bemidji, stretching back over into places like Becker County between the Detroit Lakes area and back over into Park Rapids, an area of rain there. A couple of other pockets underneath some of these clouds that are moving through. But otherwise, it's pretty dry. We've got a lot of places that are sunny in southeastern North Dakota, some sunshine in northwest Minnesota as well. So kind of variable conditions happening here as we're heading into the afternoon. Wind has been light. It will remain light, mainly out of the east, turning more southeast into the afternoon. And our temperatures already soaring. We're at 89 degrees in Sisseton. It's 83 in Fargo. We've got 81 up in Roseau, Hallock, Langdon, Rolla, all at that number, all up along the international border there. And we'll warm things up here going from this morning. We've been seeing some of those showers and heading into the afternoon. Here we go. We're going to see those areas of rain and thunder start to pop, more and more areas of widespread but scattered rain and thunderstorm chances. So breaks in between and temperatures that may just reach 90 again today. So if we get to that 93 mark, we're looking at day 12 in this year that we've seen 90-degree temperatures so far. And then again, looking at some areas of thunderstorm activity that could be a little bit stronger at times. Most of these storms, again, just like recent days, staying below severe status. Heavy downpours, a lot of lightning potentially with them. And then, of course, one or two of them might get a little stronger. We'll have to watch out for some hail and some wind gusts here. Now, heading into this evening, this continues on. We'll see these places getting some rain and thunder in some spots, and then large areas that are seeing not much going on at all, staying on the dry side. Carrying on into the nighttime hours tonight. Once that sun sets, though, the driver for these daytime thunderstorms, the sun, will set and the heat that it produces will start to cool down and the storms will fall apart. So by tomorrow morning, we're looking at some pretty quiet conditions to kick off your Tuesday, but still very warm in the 60s and 70s. A look at our rainfall through this round. Some areas getting a half inch or more in the green. Let's add more to the mix here as we head through the week. More chances for rain and thunder all the way into Friday night. You see a large area of the valley does have the potential for getting that half inch to an inch or maybe even more range. It's just a matter of where those storms go, and that continues on through the work week. Hot to 80s to some low 90s. We step back from that heading into the weekend. We'll get more into the lower 80s. Not a huge difference, but I think some may notice a little bit more comfortable conditions out there.
Yeah, it's been an interesting start to the summer. It's been very hot and lots of rain.
Yeah, many days, daily rain chances here. We'll take a break from that coming up into next week.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much, Lisa.